Ugh. Good morning, guys. So, I'm so tired. I'm off today, so I really want to just kind of play around with this camera and get some footage for you guys to do like my daily vlog. So, what I'm going to be doing on my off day, which as for now is absolutely nothing. It's like 9 o'clock and I have YouTube on right now. I'm watching Jen and Ben, the cutest. I like that one. The oat milk.
It's good.
Candy, how are you this fine Tuesday morning? You look cute. Breakfast. We try to usually eat something good when I'm off. Matt did majority of the cooking. Thank
No
you,
problem.
my love.
Of course, let's eat. Let's do it. Nice potatoes, man.
Yeah, they look good.
Hopefully they're good.
Was the onions a good touch? Yummy. Full on breakfast. Pancakes the best breakfast potatoes. So bomb. I'm like loving this camera. Looks so nice.
Oh yeah, you got the
It's a cool product shot. Like, ooh, here's my.
There you go.
Here's my
Waffle
waffle.
bite.
Like,
You gotta know the product first.
Thank you. Lifetime. Breakfast. Oh my god, so good.
In the fridge. Gotcha. Dude, that camera's so good. Look at that.
No, honestly, it is. I'm really impressed. Right here.
Oh my god, I'm so blind, guys. No, like it looks like
Look
vlog
at this,
footage.
Like, look at this product shot. Bam.
Oh wow, that's actually really nice.
So tragic. My nail broke. So I'm gonna go get this one fixed. This is my real nail, so I'm real sad about it. So I'm gonna have to put a tip on. That's where I'm going.
Got the hot pot.
Whoa, it's so cute. Yeah. Oh, there's like a little thing on there. It's literally like you grab all your stuff here. Cool. Just finished it. What do you think? He wasn't the biggest fan.
Yeah, I mean, if you want hot pot and you're like, want a quick fix, then this is your place. But I'd rather go to a higher end place.
He's used to like Maryland. Like Maryland, they have such better K-pot barbecue.
Yeah, that's
Korean food, honestly, for that matter.
Wasn't
But I
bad.
mean, it's not
for
bad for local.
for the distance on.
Like, I think I would come back here.
I give it a 4 out of 5.
That's high. Like a quick trip to Marry Me. We got milk, butter, banana nut bread. Oh, this is gonna be so good.
See, I mean,
And
okay.
some eggs, finally, so that we can make pancakes. Let's go. It's my last day of work. Last day of work.
Yep.
I'm excited. Oh, yeah. I'm excited. Oh, yeah. It's Matt's last day and also my last day of work. Celebration dinner. So
Yep.
we got Mexican food.
Yeah.
Dude, we got some chilaquiles, which is something we've been craving since Tulum. So
Yeah, it's a very good breakfast
hoping
dish.
it's good.
Yeah, hopefully it's good. Yeah.
We got some tacos and the horchata.
And get horchata and then pico.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha. Hey, happy birthday. Hey. 5. You're a quarter now.
So I'm going through my gym shorts and leggings right now. I'm trying to sell some on Depop, so we're gonna do a keeping pile and a selling pile. Okay, so my package came. So I ordered 2 things off of Amazon for my makeup travel case, just because I'm carrying it in like a Lululemon tote, like a really big one with small boxes, and it's just too much stuff in my opinion, and it doesn't look professional, you know. So I ordered this one. I'm opening this one because I actually think this is the one that I want. Like, I'm not gonna keep both, but I think this is the one that I want. And if it's what I think it's gonna be like, then I'm not gonna bother opening the other one that I got. I'm just gonna return it. So it's like a traveler with wheels. But it's also supposed to be a backpack. Oh yeah, whoa. It's like right here, it was closed. And then like if you unzip it, there's 2 straps. Oh, it's locked together. Okay, it's actually pretty heavy and there's not even anything in here, so I mean, I should be able to do it, or I could just like roll it. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. So this is the main thing. So like it would stand like this, and then I would just like take out all my makeup bags, which to me makes more sense. Because the other one, it's just like sleeves. And I kind of don't want that. And then I have some space here. I don't know what to really put in here. Because it's flat. Oh, I could put like lashes in there. Oh, I could put all my lashes there. Okay, so I'm gonna like condense it into my in here. Oh, and then there's just like more storage. Like this is like one bag that I have. And then I have like all of my things in like little things like that. And to be honest, I don't know if all of my stuff is gonna fit in these little bags. Because I do have like a lot like in here. But I mean, I could always just like bring another bag, you know? I don't need to just have everything in one. Just trying to condense it. Like, this is my other one. I could just bring this one instead, you know? And then that'll be it. But yeah, this is like all of my foundations. Eyeshadows, eyeliners, etc. I got my alcohol. I'm talking about alcohol. I need my brush cleaner, which I don't know if I have. Gotta look for that. Oh, I see it right there. Recommend for quick ones. But then I'm also gonna probably bring my Cinema Secrets just to do the foundation brushes and that stuff. Okay, so all of these are like my eyeshadows. So I'm trying to just condense the most important ones, the ones I definitely need, which this one is 100% one of them. And then I obviously need this one. And then I'm probably going to keep the Patrick Ta and also the Tarte. I'm kind of between the Artist Couture and this one from Melt Cosmetics, just because they're kind of similar. But I get like the reds from the Patrick Ta. So okay, no Artist Couture. And then I'm not really feeling Tarte. And then do I keep this one? Like this one I bought for me originally, but I don't really wear eyeshadow anymore, so what shall I do? Not sure. So I'm like at my lashes part, and then Rox gave me all these. Like these are like a really cute style, Alexis. Scarlet. But yeah, so just packing those up. She gave me a lot. You know what? It doesn't fit, actually. Now I'm gonna end it here, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!